Welcome back, my people. DMAC 4K. Yes, I'm actually in Robbins Bay. This is a little community in St. Mary here. Okay, so this is Robbins Bay. Yeah, and over here we have a nice relaxing restaurant by the name Sunrise Cliff. Okay, so let's go inside and check out this hidden gem restaurant. Mr. Sanchez?
Sanchez, man.
Hey, Mr.
Sweet
Sanchez.
Yeah, sweet.
What's up?
Yeah, man, I'm here, you know. I just tidy up and I do some little touch out and stuff like this.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
And today is a quiet day. We have some heavy rain yesterday and stuff, you know, but most of our business done in the late evening. Yeah, man, that's the time we client them come out.
Yeah.
Because, you know, more working class people come out and come out and enjoy themselves, eat and thing and stuff. And the main thing we do is fish.
Yeah.
And we do steam, fry and brown stew.
Okay.
Yeah, man. And it done to order. Yeah, man. And the like parrot and all them other fish they go for $3,000 a pound. Sir. Snapper is a 3.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. And as we said, that's how we Irish carrot, okra, pumpkin, crackers serve with it a bammy planting left to what we have and that time. Yeah, man. And the fry go with like either festival planting or bammy. Yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah.
And then away and away from that we do groups.
Yes.
You can book it for function, weddings, birthday party, you can book it for a party. And if you can book it for a part time while the business is going, you still can have your little settings.
Yeah.
You can come in with everything. Yeah. And what we do now, when you book it, if you don't want, we have new utensils, so you can just come with just your food, or if you want, we prepare. Yeah. We put a package together for you. Yes. Yeah. So we have a wide area of how we do it.
Oh, okay.
For people to come and enjoy themselves.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
So it's a nice little rustic settings. Yeah. Quiet, nice little hangout spot. Where you don't have a problem in the community. Peaceful, quiet community. Yeah, man. And a lot to experience in the community when you come here. Yeah. One of the prettiest falls in this era. Further down we call the place Strawberry Field, going back Kwame Falls, very beautiful falls, and you have one of the top beach in Jamaica, very nice beach, Strawberry Field, guest house, and then you have, before you reach that, you have my cousin where do the herbal soap. Yes. The nicest soap right now where around the place. Oh. Yeah, man. Oh, just as you enter into Strawberry Field, going down to Strawberry Field, you're on the left. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. So once you come here, you can go. I think you're supposed to see it out there because they are so wide on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, all of those pages. So, yeah, man. So this is more like how we set up around here. Very nice, as I said, nice community. Yes. No disturbance, relaxed, peaceful. Yeah, man.
So, all right. So, show me like the fish. Wait.
Yeah, man. I'll show you like how we. Alright, this is the store with fish. Yeah. Done to order. Yes. And this is some quality fish like you have chub, you have parrot, you have we have lionfish, we have snapper, we have a variety of fish. Cause more fish. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. We have fish stock. Yes. Yeah, cause that's how we have to do it. Yeah, man. And you're done to order, and then we just while you sit and I relax. Yes. We prepare it for you. Oh, okay. And serve you. Okay. Yeah, so man. If I want a fish or what? We just check it out. Wait, and then start do the preparing. Okay. So we have a kitchen. Okay. Yes, sure. We have an outdoor kitchen. Also, you do it on the outdoor kitchen? If you want, and we have the indoor. Oh, you have indoor. This is here how we prepare with me. Okay. Yeah, man. So this is our kitchen we prepare. So, yeah, man. Okay. So we just steam up and then we just serve. Yeah, this is the outdoor we work. We have a function right through weekend. So we just get back and yeah. That's the outside kitchen we do like if you book it. you use the outside kitchen to do your cooking and stuff.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
man. Now we have big open. You can go on video that side too, man.
Yeah, go around the area.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm going to show them around the
Yeah,
area.
man. So, and then you have the little seating, a lot of seating.
Yes.
A lot of seating here.
Yeah.
Where you sit down and stuff and things like that.
So just in case somebody want to contact you, you can give them your...
My number is 436-1223. Yeah, man. 436-1223. Sanchez.
Okay.
Robbins Bay.
All right.
And it's a Sweden.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah,
All right. So we're going to walk around and view the area, you know?
Man. Yeah, man.
All right. All right, guys. Yes. So this is the whole area. Nice settings here. Right by the seaside, you know? So you can come and chill out here. And have your fish done to order. Meanwhile, watching the sea. Look at that. Look at life. Right at the seaside here. Wow. Yes, so this area is actually Robbins Bay, guys. Okay. Okay. So this is the whole area. Wow, it's very nice here. So this is sea grape.
Yeah, man. Sweet just like the American grape.
Really? This one here?
Yeah, man.
But
That's sweet on it, man.
sweet on it?
Sometimes, but yeah, man. But they're not ready yet.
Oh,
By when them we're ready.
wow.
Well, alright. This, some of here, them one, the little one, you have big one we're right, little already, man.
Okay. And Sanchez go do some.
Steam fish.
Yeah.
So may I show you how me do my steam fish.
All right.
May I have garlic.
Yeah.
May I have carrot.
Uh-huh.
Right, carrot. Yeah, man. So split my carrot them
Yeah.
and slice it. Yeah. So that me do. Cut my carrot them like this.
Yeah.
You don't overload it with too much carrot, because too much carrot kill flavor too.
Okay, okay.
So you have to know what you are doing.
Yeah.
Alright. Then me have my pepper.
Uh-huh.
So me have bust 2 pepper. Because I don't know hot.
Yeah.
But me have my secret pepper.
Okay.
Me using it.
Yes.
Alright, then me Irish them, me split my Irish them like this.
Uh-huh.
Give them solid enough so they don't mash up. When them come out of the dish,
Yeah.
them pretty and nice.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Yeah, man. Then split my carrot, all of them up.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, so me don't see how the plate I look.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Then me have my onion now.
Yes.
Dice up my onion. Yeah. I have something else I'm going to use and I'm not ready to steam that.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Then I dice up my onion. I mean, I need no more than this tonight now.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Then from here, so now.
Yeah.
Alright. So the next step. Then we come on me.
Wow.
Cook up.
Oh.
Seasoning it already.
Okay.
So I put in all of this now.
Okay.
I allow this way go cook down
Uh-huh.
before I go add in, then I come add. I add some okra in that pot now.
Yeah.
If you go and cook with it. And I add some okra after that again.
Okay.
I put some in it to make it go and cook.
Uh-huh.
So I dice up my okra then. So you have tons of okra. I mean, once I have okra, my fish will be full of okra.
Okay, okay.
Then the next thing with the fish now, I want to see now.
Uh-huh.
So we trim the fish then.
Yeah.
Clean up the fish. And put him one side. Kind of ready to go in the pot.
Okay.
No, I don't want to overcook it.
Okay.
So I trim them up.
Mm-hmm.
So I eat enough of them something up on it. So I bone one of eat.
Yeah.
Take carb on me, so I go eat.
Yeah.
And this one is a parrot and a chub.
Oh, parrot and a chop.
Yeah, this is a chub. People sell this as black snapper, do you know?
Okay.
These them sell this as black snapper, but I'm not snapper.
Okay.
Now we have black snapper, then chicky fry.
Okay.
Right. So when we finish now, the next step, I will carry back and make a catchy next step. Right. This is the first step to the pot.
Okay then.
Right. So you can break it so now.
Okay.
And leave me there so make me go on. When we're ready to add the rest of stuff them to it, we call you and show you now, and then you look on the pot.
Alright.
And then you see the beauty of it when it come out now.
Yes.
Pan the plate now, and when you taste it now, you have to say.
Alright. Alright, one love.
All the Irish carrot, pumpkin, on pumpkin, the pumpkin never reach me, but this, see there, all like they know.
Okay.
Then, how are you man, you taste this man, I'm going to put in the cracker shortly.
Okay.
Because I don't want to overcook the fish, make it mash up.
Okay.
Some person then do it and you get the fish, you just plack out, so you don't get a nice eat of the fish, so we change up all of that.
Okay, alright.
Yeah, man. So next couple of minutes, you see me I come out with the plate.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright guys. See our steamed fish come here.
Yeah,
Wow.
man.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Sanchez. Wow. Wicked. So my carry go right down at the seaside, you know? Yeah man. Down at the seaside you go. Yeah. What?
I have everything in it.
Okay.
Bammy and crackers, everything in it.
Bammy and crackers.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Bammy, crackers, your Irish, your carrot, your okra, all of them there.
All right.
So I eat that.
Yeah, man. All right, Mr. Sanchez.
Man.
Thank you very much, you know?
Yeah, man. And we get the taste, you can't tell me.
All right. All right.
So you're one over that side.
All right, guys.
Yeah, man.
So, some steamed fish with me bammy and crackers and Irish potato and okra. Whoa!
Pepper, alright, man.
Oh, it's a ball feast.
It's a ball feast, man. Yeah, man. All right. So, guess what? So, right at the seaside there. Look there. See, right a bunks up and we're going to have with steamed fish right there.
Boy. I have a lot to imagine about at the seaside and riverside.
And guys, look here. At the same time, look who me talking to. Me traveling partner, Boss Kirk. Boss Kirk, hail up your fans them on YouTube.
Yes, man. I want to say big it up, man. You know what I mean? You know,
Yes, man.
Love, man. Keep watching the video. Keep supporting this channel, guys, man. You know, D14K12. Keep supporting this channel, man. You know?
All right, my brother.
Yes, man.
Yes. Okay, guys, this is it from Sunrise on the Cliff. So remember, when you want the best steamed fish, fried fish, any kind of fish, come and check out Mr. Sanchez right here. All right. So right here. So, Mr. Sanchez,
Yeah, man.
take care of yourself, you know.
Enough respect, man. And nice for the black way you give me.
Yeah, man.
I mean, no, say it, I'll carry it far.
Yes.
More, push more.
Yeah.
We do a out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Respect again. And see you again soon. I mean, enough for your friends that more reach right as a back, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Big up and bless. One love.
One love, my brother.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, man.
All right. So see you again here.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
All
Safe
right.
travel back.
Yeah, man.
Good.
All right, guys. Remember to like, share, and comment.
Yeah.
All right, my brother. Subscribe.
Sanchez Lounge.
Sanchez Lounge.
Sunrise on the Cliff.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
All right. All right. All right. Take care, yeah.